Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to set up routing in a React project. First, we need to install React Router DOM. Let's do that now. Once installed, go to your app.tsx file. Okay, now we will import BrowserRouter from React Router DOM. What does BrowserRouter do? It helps a React app switch between pages smoothly without reloading the entire page. It updates the URL and shows the right page instantly. Next, we import routes, and inside it we define route components for each page. For example, we set /" to show the home component, and star to show not found. Here star means anything else than /. Now we will learn about nested routes. In the outer route, we use :id as a placeholder for any value. So if you visit /5, it will show the user profile ID page. Inside that, the /edit route will show the edit user profile ID page. when you visit /5 or any value /edit. That's all for today. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to our channel.